This is John Muro. Thank you again for tuning in, showing your support and love for this channel. We really appreciate it. If you haven't become a part of the True Life Investing family, why not subscribe today? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Smash that like button while you're at it to show your support and love for this channel. So there's a lot of things that are going on, and we're wanting to bring you this daily news and kind of show you guys what's been going on. The stimulus that everybody is seeming to come together to try and make happen. Several states are wanting to either get rid of the gas tax, or they're wanting to do a voucher card, or they're wanting to do a stimulus check. They're wanting to do something, and I've got some great news, so stay tuned for that. What the world's been waiting on is to find out the results that happened between the president of China and President Joe Biden. They're wanting to see what happened, this 2-hour call that took place. What are the results? Because this is really going to set the direction in which the United States goes for the next few days, next week, next month, next year. There are major consequences for either side, and we're kind of waiting to figure out what happened. And so here's Joe Biden Zoom call with the president of China, and this was a 110-minute video call that took place today, and they're talking, and this is kind of a little bit of what they say. This is a pivotal moment that could determine the trajectory of the bloody conflict. The president of China told Biden that both the U.S. and China have a responsibility for ensuring peace, according to the state media, an oblique suggestion that he is uninterested in escalating conflict. That's some really great news. Afterward, however, the White House said its concerns over Beijing's possible intervention haven't been assuaged. They haven't been really determined. So we do have a concern. The whole world will be watching what's going to be happening with this phone call and the things that project from it. So keep our fingers crossed. Everything looks good right now, so we're just hoping that it stays that way. So let's talk a little more about stimulus. And so this Walls favors $500 Minnesota stimulus checks, not gas tax holiday, to ease pain at the pump. Governor Tim Walz is at the gas station to promote his proposed direct payments of $500 per adult, that up to $164,000 income, $1,000 per couple. There it is, guys, $1,000 per couple, $500 per adult. So we see it there. He is literally at a gas station, and they're saying that this gas tax only helps you a little bit at a time. It's not really going to ease the pain as much as a stimulus check would. So let me know down in the comments below that if your state was offering some sort of gas tax rebate, whatever, or a stimulus check, which one would you be in favor of? Would you want that one-time check of $500, or would you rather them just go ahead and remove the gas tax, and so that way when you pay gas, you're actually saving a little bit of money each time? So discussion is up in the air. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz pushing lawmakers to pass bigger rebate checks instead of a gas tax holiday as inflation surges levels not seen in 40 years. Walz's proposal calls for direct payments of $500 to adults who make less than $164,000 a year and $1,000 per couple making less than $273,000 a year. He has tripled the size of the check since he first proposed them in January, and his administration now estimates the cost at $2 billion. The checks are part of Walz's updated spending plan released Thursday. This is what they're trying to pass. Here's why they're working on it. So if we take a look at this inflation, the United States inflation rate, this is February, this is March, and this is April. Every month it has went up tremendously. And so what does this look like for the near future? Well, it looks like if it keeps going like this, every month it's just going to keep climbing and keep climbing. And the question is, how high can it go? What's the ceiling? When is it going to stop? They're talking about raising the interest rates, and that's going to apparently slow the inflation down. Well, that is not to me a great fix, because it's going to stop people from buying, and then that's how things end up in a recession. So let me know your comments down below. Gas stimulus checks, how does that $400 tax rebate work? How does this really work? There could be financial support on the way, but it's not a guarantee. So why has Congress not sent out anything? There are calls from Democrat states lawmakers in California, United States, for taxpayers to receive a $400 tax rebate check to help with the rising cost of everyday items, services like gas prices. While this is still yet to be officially decided upon, there has been progress made on this front. The idea is that every Californian resident who pays their state income taxes would be given a $400 rebate to aid the impact of rising costs, regardless of how much money they're making, as the taxpayers would go out to individual taxpayers as married couples who would receive $800. If they were to get this thing passed, there are some people who think that the decision on the rebate will be made when the legislator and the governor, Gavin Newsom, agree on the entire state budget, which is typically around late June. So there is some hope in the air that these gas stimulus checks could be on their way. So now we have those that could make $500 per person, $1,000 for a couple. You have those in California that could do the $400 tax rebate, get that stimulus check. I mean, inflation's not going anywhere. You can see the consistent rise of every single month, how much it's risen. It depends on the call between Biden and the president of China. So guys, let me know your thoughts below. I hope this video helped. If you have any more questions, if you need me to do more research for your state in particular, if you're saying, John, I need to know about my state, what's going on in my state, what are the news going on, this is just big news that's really popped up and that you could literally go check in, and this is things that states are doing to really help their people. Every state should be held accountable to say, listen, we need to help our people of our state. Let's get things moving. If Congress won't do it, we'll do something. So that's the way. We got to take care of the American people. We need help, and apparently Congress isn't doing anything. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. If you need any help or anything, just let me know. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.